Hello, so my name is Veronica Schwarz. I am a sales engineer at Orcan Energy, and Orcan Energy offers turnkey solutions to turn heat into electricity. And we actually do that by using the ORC technology, so organic Rankine cycle. And what makes our approach a little bit unique is that we don't build big power plants, but instead we have modular, standardized solutions. As you can see, our containers here that can be applied in all kinds of different applications to use heat in a very easy, flexible, and reliable way to produce electricity. So we start at an inlet temperature of our modules at 80 degrees Celsius. And we also start at about 500 kilowatts of thermal power going into our machine. So that's the lowest conditions that we need, but then we can always scale up. If we have more heat available, we can just put multiple of our modules, so there is no upper limit. So the main advantage is definitely the flexibility, especially for geothermal applications. What we see a lot is that you don't only want to produce electricity, but you have multiple heat users. You might also have a district heating network. And in the district heating network, the energy demand is very fluctuating. You need a lot more heating power in the winter than you need in the summer. And with a modular approach, we can always very flexibly take advantage of the heat that is currently available. Even if there's very big fluctuations, you can just put multiple of our modules. They can turn on one by one. They can turn off one by one. So we can really just follow the heat, however much is available, and always make sure that all of the heat gets used and nothing gets wasted. Yes, actually, our most recent project is a project in Austria at Futura. They produce vegetables and fruits, and they have greenhouses, and they power those greenhouses with geothermal energy. And here it's exactly that case, that they have fluctuating heat demand. They don't always use all of the available heat in their greenhouse. So we put one of our units there that can just very flexibly always use the heat that is not used by the greenhouse. And I think what's very special about that project is the short timeline. So from the first contact we had with Futura to the first electricity production, it only took 10 months for the realization of this project. Yes, we are active all over the world. Of course, we are a Germany-based company, but we already have references in many countries worldwide. And I think the main advantage, especially for countries with a little bit difficult accessibility to the geothermal sites, the easy transportation of our modules. They can just be put on a truck. There are standardized shipping containers be put on a truck, brought to the site, and it's very easy to install. It's very flexible. So we can really, even in the most difficult conditions, we can still put our modules there.